Layers are usually created to hold objects with common attributes. Creating a layer is easy. The layer list panel is typically located in the right side of the program when you first open up Librecad. Click the Add a Layer icon. Specify a layer name. Optionally specify the color, width, and line type for the layer. Click OK. Try to add another layer. Now select Layer Roof. Select Polyline and try to draw a triangle. Select Layer Wall. Create a rectangle. And then create a rectangle with layer earth. Click on Deselect All to free the cursor. We have just created a new hoist design with layer tools. The main advantage of layers is that you can edit or adjust each layer individually without affecting the rest of the file. In the layer panel, the eye icon in the leftmost column next to a layer means that the layer is visible. How to change or modify a layer. Select the layer you want to edit. Click Modify icon. You can modify the color, width, and line type for the layer.